Good morning. Good night. We're so sleepy. We're kind of like in that sleep happy like type. I don't know mood. I know I'm missing the lake. Okay, here's the lake, guys. I was informed I was missing the lake. Okay, yeah, we need sleep. We've not been asleep. We've been up here legitimately over 24 hours. But this is where we're at right now, okay? And the lake by the gauges has rose about 30 feet within the past 24 hours. And so they've been holding the water back and everything like that to ensure no one down past this dam will flood any worse than what has already happened. And so as you can see, they're still there, yay. And they float. Those don't have enough water to float, but these down here do. There's the pallet maze, and on one side of the pallet maze over there, we were actually noticing this from the top. It's almost underwater. I wonder, oh yeah, you can see it right there. So that's over, it's almost 4 feet right there.
How do straw bales not float?
I don't know. I don't know why they don't float or how they don't float.
I bet they grew together.
You think they grew together? Yeah. Well, now they got watered. But you can see all the debris and stuff that has, which it's not as bad as what I thought it would be as far as the debris and everything, because you got to think, guys, this water has rose, and so all of the stuff that was like on the sides and everything like that left over from whenever it went down to Winter Pool, that is getting caught and pushed back out in there. And I mean, you can see a little bit in the boom lines over there, but not that much. So there's the swing sets. Oh yeah, the porta potties. They're tipped over. Yes. That's a garbage can, and those are the little park benches and stuff like that. I don't know why every time I zoom in it does that. But you can see how much. Yeah, you do. There's the bathroom. So this is, I mean, yeah, we're into the parking lot, but this is nowhere near as bad as what was anticipated.
It's very windy.
Yeah, it's starting to get very windy. It has been since about, what, 5 o'clock? Yeah, on and off. But there's the boats. They are completely level. Like, not just a little bit level, but completely level with the parking lot, which honestly that looks pretty cool. But yeah, you can see that they're still holding back the water and everything like that, and stuff to ensure. We do know that a lot of the water in the surrounding areas has went down to a certain extent and everything. Oh babe, oh we've got to get it. It's right there though. Here, let me see if I can get out and holler for it, because it's like stuck.
Come on
baby, come here baby, come on baby, come on baby, you're stuck, aren't you? Come on baby. Baby, I know you're scared. Come here, baby. Come on over here. Come on, baby. Come on, get over here. Come on, baby. Look, it's a little bit, it's stuck, but it's hard. Okay. I don't even know where it came from. Come here, baby doll. Come here. Come on, baby. You're okay. Come on. Come on. It's a pretty baby. Yes. Come on, baby. Come here. Look. I won't hurt you. Come here. You're okay. Come on. Come on. You want to go with me? You want to go with me? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good. Oh, look how sweet. Are you scared? Are you scared? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, see? It's okay. Come on. Come on. You're okay. Come on. You're okay. Come on, baby. You're okay, see? I'm right here. Come on. Come on. You want to come? Come on. Here. I got you. Oh, see. Come on. You're okay. I got you. I got you. Okay, we got this. Okay. We got this. Okay. We're good now. Look. There you go. God, love it. Oh, you never know what you're going to see up here, guys. Oh, are you good? It's like, let me in. Let me in. Oh. Come on. We'll take you over here, okay? We'll take it up there because we don't want it to be back down here. It'll go back over there.
Let's just see if it follows.
Oh. If I hold it, can we take it over there? Oh, God, love it. Okay, so if anyone that is watching is
Smelly dog. Get out of there. No.
is missing this baby,
Get out of there.
it's after the bread. Oh, if I've got some food back here, I'll give you some in just a minute, okay?
That'll make you go home.
But if anyone's missing this pretty little dog, we've got it up here with us right now. God, love it. You were scared to death, wasn't you? I'm so glad that we came down here and checked on that. Oh, you're pretty. You're pretty. Are you okay, Neil? So I have a new little friend. She's following me everywhere. She'll go over there and she's trying to get back in the car. But anyway, guys, again, we don't really have any places that we can keep her right now, but we're going to try to keep her safe and stuff like that, because she'll go right over there and she comes straight back because she tries to get back into the car. So if that is anyone's dog that you know of, let us know. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what I was trying to show you earlier whenever we found her. This is how much the water has rose and everything like that. So hopefully we won't go too much higher, which that pole down there about midways up is where they were anticipating. Thank God we did not hit that. Okay, so we are here as of now, but that is your, I guess, early morning update. And look how pretty the mountains are right now with the snow on it. And she's back. She's so lovable. She really is. I love her. You're so cute. You're so cute. So we ate some and feeling good. Not gonna drown. Don't go down there. You'll get hurt. Silly girl. But anyway, guys, that's Fishtrap Lake as of right now. It's about 8:30 right now in the morning. So, for reference. See you guys later.